Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max Ormentas once again. Today, students, we are going to discuss a new exercise 15.2. Already you have studied about the surface area, its formula. So using that formula, I think you have studied the formulas. Then using this formula, now we are going to solve the questions. I will read the first question. A cube has a surface area of 600 meters square. One cube, its surface area is given 600 meters square. Cube surface area, you know that formula, 6 into side square. 6 spaces are there. So total surface area, one side area is side square. So we multiply by 6, then 6 side square is the surface area of a cube. That is given. Then what is the area of one face? One face area means it is side square. Side square we have to find out. Then how to find out? Listen students, here the surface area is equal to 6 into side square, that is given 600 meters square. That means 6 into side square is equal to 600 meters square. Therefore side square means it is the area of one side. So side square is equal to 600 divided by 6, that is equal to 100 meters square. So the area of one side, the question is what is the area of one face? So area of one face is equal to 100 meters square. Now look at the second question. Find the total surface area of a solid cylinder. Total surface area we have to find out. Solid cylinder. That means its curved surface area and surface area of two circular faces up and down. That we have to find out. Its diameter of whose base and height are 28 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively. Diameter is 28 centimeter and 14 centimeter. What's the total surface area of a cylinder? 2 pi r into h plus r. This is the formula to find out total surface area. 2 pi r into h plus r. So we want to find out the total surface area. In order to find out the total surface area, we need the radius and height. Height is given 14 centimeter, but radius is not given. That is, we want to find out diameter is given. So if diameter is divided by 2, then we get a radius. So first of all, find out that total surface area 2 pi r into h plus r. That's the formula, 2 pi r into h plus r, and diameter is equal to 28 centimeter is given, okay, 28 centimeter, that is diameter. Therefore radius is equal to 28 divided by 2, that is equal to 14 centimeter, and height is given also 14 centimeter. Therefore total surface area, we can write TSA, total surface area of that cylinder is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is equal to 14 centimeter plus h plus r, then height also 14 and radius also 14. This is the formula. Then 2 into 7, this 2 we can cut 2 into 22, 44 into 2 into 28. This is the formula. Here 2 into 22, 44, 44 into 2, 88, 88 into 28. 88 into 28, we multiply. 8 is 64. 8 is 64 plus 6 is equal to 70. 8 2s are 16. 8 to 16, 70. That means 2464 centimeter square is the total surface area of that cylinder. 2464 centimeter square. Students, look at the next question, question number 3. The surface area of a cube is 1350 centimeter square. Surface area of a cube is 1350 centimeter square. Find the volume of that cube. So in order to find out the volume formula is side cube. We must know what is a side. the surface area of the cube is given. Surface area means 6 into side square, that is given. So from that we find out the side, then multiply by 3 times, then we get the volume of that cube. So here the surface area of the cylinder is 6 into side square. Side square, that is equal to 1350 centimeter square. 6 into side square is equal to 1350 centimeter square. Therefore, side square is equal to 1350 divided by 6. That is equal to 6 2s are 12 and 6 2s are 12 and 3 6 5s are 30. That means 225 meter square, centimeter square. That is equal to side square. Therefore, side square is equal to 225 centimeter square. Therefore, side is equal to root of 225. So, side is equal to root of 225. That is equal to, you know that the root of 225 is 15 centimeter. So, side is equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore, we can find out the volume. Therefore, volume is equal to side cube. Volume is equal to side cube, that is equal to 15 centimeter into 15 centimeter into 15 centimeter. 15s are 225. 225 into 15. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 2 and 5 2s are 10. 11. 1 5 2 and 2. 5. 3375 centimeter cube is the volume of that cylinder. So we have given the surface area of the cylinder, and then we surface area of that cube, and then we find out the side of that cube. Then after finding out the side of the cube, then we multiply it into 3 times to get the volume of that cube. Fourth question, that is a homework for you. I will read the question. The circumference of the base of a right circular cylinder, that circumference is given, that means 2 pi r is given, that is 250 centimeter. The circumference of the base of a right circular cylinder is 250 centimeter. If the height of the cylinder is 1.25 meter, find the lateral surface area of the cylinder. So here, lateral surface area of the cylinder, we must find out. Lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Already 2 pi r is given. That means circumference of the base, that is called 2 pi r. That is given 250 centimeter, and height also given. That circumference should be multiplied by height. That means 250 into 1.25 meter. One is given in centimeter, another is given in meter. So you can change that into common unit, like that meter you change to centimeter. Both numbers you multiply. That means 250 centimeter into 125 centimeter you multiply, then we get the lateral surface area of the cylinder. Lateral surface area of the cylinder, the formula is 2 pi RH. 2 pi r is equal to 250 centimeter. That is circumference at the base, that is called 2 pi r. That is given 250 centimeter, and the height is given 1.25 meter. That you change to centimeter, then 125 centimeter. Then you multiply both numbers, you get the lateral surface area of the cylinder. Now we solve the question number 5. The question number 5 is this. I will read. 4 cubes of side 7 centimeter. 4 cubes of side 7 centimeter are joined together to form a cuboid. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Here you can see that 4 cubes, they are joined together, then we get a cuboid. What is the total surface area of the cuboid? Total surface area of the cuboid, TSA, is equal to, total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus LH plus DH. This is the formula to find out the total surface area of the cuboid. Here, breadth is equal to 7 centimeter and length 4 sevens are there. That means 28 centimeter, and height also 7 centimeter. Then we find out the total surface area 2 into length into breadth. Length into breadth means it is 28 into 7 plus LH 28 into 7 plus BH, base breadth is 7 and height is also 7. That is equal to 7 into 7. Then we multiply it. 7 is 56. 7 is 56. 196 and here also 196 plus 49. This we add together. For 41. Then we multiply 8 180 2 centimeters square is the area of the total surface area of that cylinder. That means 882 centimeters square is the total surface area of that cylinder. Here we taken 28 as the length and breadth is 7 and height is also 7. The next question, question number 6. The volume of a cylinder is 39,600 centimeter cube. Volume is given. That means pi r square h is given. And the height of it is 14 centimeter. Height also given. Find the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area 2 pi r h. So in order to find out 2 pi r h lateral surface area, we need radius and height. Height is given. Radius not given. But we want to find out radius. And then we find out the total surface area also. So here volume is given pi r square h, that is equal to 39,600 centimeter cube. That is the volume and height was also given. Therefore pi 22 by 7 into r square, we don't know what is r, into 8 is equal to 39600 centimeter cube. Therefore, r square is equal to other number. This will be cut. Then we get 2. That means 22 into 2 is equal to 44. Here 44 r square is equal to 39600 centimeter cube. Therefore, r square is equal to 39600 divided by 44. If you multiply 5, 6 4s are, then we can cut 9 and 1. That means 900. R square is equal to 900 centimeter square. Therefore, R is equal to root of 900. Root of 900, you know that is equal to 30 centimeter. So now we got the radius, the 30 centimeter. If we get the radius, then we can find out the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 30 into height 40. This we multiply. Then 2 into 22, 44 into 88, 88 into 30. Means 2640 centimeters square is the lateral surface area of that cylinder. Now we have to find out what is the curved surface area, means the total surface area of that cylinder. Now we have found out lateral surface area, total surface area of the cylinder. Total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. Here 2 into 22 by 7 into radius, that is equal to 30 and plus 14 plus 30. That is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 30 into 44. So here we multiply 2 into 22, 44, 44 into 42. 44 into 44, we multiply. 4 4s are 16, 4 4 16 plus 1 17. 16 and 17, that is 6. 1936. 1936 into 30 means by 3 we multiply. 3 6 are 18, 10, 5008 divided by divided by 7. That is equal to here 1 0 is there, 0, 58, 56, 2, 20, 2 7s are 14, 6, 68, 63, 550, 110.73, 30. Again it continues. So we stop here. That is equal to 8,297.14 centimeters square is the total area, total surface area of that cylinder. Students, question number 7 is a homework for you. That question I will see. Find the total surface area and lateral surface area of a cubical box which is 3.5 meter long, 1.5 meter broad and 2.5 meter height. So length, breadth and height of the cuboidal box is given there. You have to find out the total surface area and the lateral surface area. So both formula you use, lateral surface area of a cuboid, what is that, and total surface area, 2 into LB plus LH plus BH, and that you calculate. That's a simple question. Now we solve question 8. The volume of a cylinder is 2500 centimeter cube and its height is 49 centimeter. Find the total surface area and lateral surface area of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is given. The volume of cylinder means it is pi r square h. That is given. And height also given. We want to find out total surface area. Total surface area is 2 pi r into h plus r. And lateral surface area 2 pi r h. So these two things we have to calculate first. So let us see how to solve this question. Students, here volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h, that is given. 2500 pi is the volume of the cylinder. Pi r square h is 2500 and 2500 pi. And height is equal to 49 centimeter. Height also given. Therefore, pi r square h is equal to pi into r square into h 49 centimeter. That is equal to 2500 pi. So here both side pi is there, that pi we cancel, then r square into 49 is equal to 2500. Therefore r square is equal to 2500 divided by 49 and then r is equal to root of 2500 and 14 upon 49, that is equal to, here it is 50 upon 7. Root of 2500 upon 49 is equal to 50 upon 7. Root of 2500 50 and 7 7s are 49. Therefore 50 upon 7 is the radius. That means 20 meter. So here next we find out the total surface area. Total surface area is 2 pi r into h plus r. Now we got the radius. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 50 upon 7 into h 49 plus r 50 upon 7. That is equal to 2 into 22. That is equal to 44. 44 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. 2200. 44 into 5. 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20, means 2200 upon 49 into, and here 49 upon 1. Here we multiply by 7, here also 7, and plus 50 upon 7. Why this is fraction? In order to want this fraction, we want to do that. That is equal to 2200 upon 49 into 4 sevens are 9 sevens are 63, remain 6, 343 plus 50 upon 7 sevens are 49. So this we multiply here. Here we add it is equal to 2200 upon 49 into 393 upon 49. Sorry, upon 7. Here 7 and here also 7. Then we multiply this. When we multiply, we get 393 upon 20 into 22. We multiply 2 3s are 6, 9 2s are 18, 7, 6, 8, 7. Means 8, 6, 4, 6. Then after we place 2 zeros, that is equal to this much divided by 49 into 7, 340. This we divide. When we divide this, we get 2520.7 centimeters square. So this is the total surface area of this cylindrical figure. Now we find out the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. That is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius 50 upon 7 into 49. This 7 sevens are 49, this 49, 49 will be cut. Then 5 fours are 20, means 2200. 2200 centimeter is centimeter square is the lateral surface area of this cylindrical. Question number 9. Find the total surface area of the hollow cylinder open at both ends. If its length is 28 centimeter, external radius is 7 centimeter, and thickness is 1 centimeter, find the total surface area of this hollow cylinder. You have studied that, students. Total surface area is equal to 2 pi into big R plus small r plus r into h plus r minus r. That is the formula. So we must know big R, radius, external radius and internal radius. In this question, it is given the hollow cylinder, its length is given. That means the length of the cylinder is given. You can see here, and its external radius given. External radius 7 centimeter. That means here to here it is 7 centimeter. And internal radius not given, but thickness of this part is given. This part is 1 centimeter. So in order to get internal radius from the external radius, we subtract the thickness, then remaining part will be internal radius. That means 7 minus 1. External radius 7 centimeter and internal radius the thickness is 1 centimeter. Therefore, internal radius is 7 minus 1, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Internal radius. So now we can find out the total surface area. Total surface area of the hollow cylinder is equal to 2 pi into big R plus small r into h plus big R minus small r. Here height is h is 28 centimeter, external radius is 7 centimeter, that is given, and internal radius is 7 centimeter minus thickness. That means external radius minus thickness, then we get 6 centimeter. Now we can find out the total surface area of this cylinder. That is equal to 2 pi, 2 into 22 upon 7 into r plus r. It's a big R 7 centimeter plus small r 6 centimeter into h plus h is equal to 28 plus r minus r. That means big R 7 centimeter minus 6 centimeter. That is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 plus 6, 13 into then 28, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, 28 plus 1 is equal to 29. This is the area. Now we multiply all this 2 into 22, 42. 44 into 13, 44 into 13, we multiply 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 12, 13, 1 4s are 4, 4, and here 2, 7 and 5, 572. 572 we multiply by 13, 29, 572 into 29, 9 2s are 18, 9 7s are 63, 64, and 51, and here 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, 8 5 6 and 1. That means 1658, 16,588 divided by 7. These students, when we divide this 16, we get 2 3 6 9.71 centimeter. So the total surface area of this hollow cylinder is equal to 2369.71 centimeter square. So students, we have finished this exercise, and I think we will cancel the next exercise. One exercise remaining in this chapter, but we will cancel this exercise. That was 19.3 that you can cancel, 15.3 that exercise you can cancel, and then next class we will move to the last chapter, that is data handling. In this chapter also we will avoid some exercises. I will say which exercise, which questions or exercise will be avoided. So in 15 chapter 15.3 that is cancelled. If anybody wants to try, you can try, no problem, but that portion will not be there for the exam. So thank you students, thank you very much. Have a nice day to everyone.